Okay, today's haul, the red black car China, which is a limousine. I want to do a derby car with one king roof and a AMC Pleasure wagon, a BMW taxi which basically was a license built Austin 7. So I've got me a baby Austin. Tiny BMW race car built up. A Lada, which is a Russian car. So that will be a derby car as well. Plug wire, set tools, also a saw, a tiny rubber duck for my convoy truck. So we've got to careful not to lose it. Set brushes, some solder as we say over here, solder as you say. More paint, sorry, wood markers. A giant knife as well. So that's everything. I'm going to put that convoy duck away before I lose it.